Good afternoon, everybody. Thanks for clicking on the Tuesday afternoon weather webcast for April 28th, 2015. I'm meteorologist Nate Harrington. Had some scare about a severe weather event possibly taking shape, especially down the Florida Panhandle for today. Had some storms that moved through earlier this morning. Didn't do too much as far as strong storms were concerned. Did get a little bit of heavy rainfall out of those, but that was it. Folks in the wiregrass from most of southeast Alabama and southwest Georgia and north of I-10 have just seen lots of cloud cover today, and that cloud cover has kept temperatures way down. A few little light showers now. I just got in just about 10 minutes ago. Folks, we're seeing some very, very light rain in downtown Dothan. I think we'll see some more significant showers and maybe some thunderstorms later tonight, but that severe risk is very, very low now. You see some numbers in the upper 60s and middle 60s. Dothan checking in at 66 degrees, the coolest spot in the wiregrass. 69 Boniface, 68 Enterprise and Ozark, also in Blakely, but some folks in the 70s, and it's these spots that'll see the best chance for some stronger thunderstorms later on with a little bit of unstable air in the spots that have seen a little bit of daytime heating. There you see the scene. All the nasty weather has stayed well to our south and east on the peninsula of Florida as a big mesoscale convective system moved south today. That was in the Gulf of Mexico. That's just a fancy word for big complex of showers and thunderstorms. Another complex of storms will be moving in later tonight. I think right around dinner time or shortly thereafter. An upper level low spin and pivot some showers and thunderstorms our way. The severe weather risk, though, like we said, much lower than what we anticipated from yesterday. So any storms that we have go severe, they'll be very, very isolated in nature, and most of them will stay down closer to the coast. So let's look at the future cast. We'll stop at right around dinner time tonight, and shortly thereafter, I think that's when we'll see the best chance for some showers and thunderstorms lingering into the evening and overnight period, and then moving out by tomorrow morning early, say 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock. Then we'll see some scattered showers after that. Not a whole lot of organization with these, and much weaker than what we'll see for later on tonight. So just some showers and maybe some rumbles of thunder Wednesday morning. We'll clear out all the rain. I don't really buy any of the shower chances for later tomorrow night. On Wednesday night, I think we stay mainly dry for Wednesday for the rest of the afternoon into the evening time hours, and that will set up a nicer stretch of weather for us. So here's that severe weather outlook. Yesterday, we had a slight risk, which is the area that's shaded in yellow. We had a slight risk basically where this line is drawn here from, say, southeastern Mississippi into southern and southeastern Alabama. But that line is now a marginal risk, which is the lowest of all the risk categories from the Storm Prediction Center. So those rain chances, even though they're good, the severe weather chances aren't very good at all, but there's still a chance to see an isolated severe storm with most likely damaging winds being the main threat. So looks like a much calmer afternoon than what we thought we were going to have to deal with, especially for our neighbors down to the south, but still a chance of rainfall for tonight and some thunderstorms. But just be advised, this is not going to be an event like we saw on Saturday or like last Sunday. Very isolated chances for strong to severe storms tonight, but just be weather aware. Damaging winds could be a factor with some of those storms this evening. If you have any questions for the afternoon weather webcast, please leave those at the social media sites below. We'll have more details on your 5-day forecast, which looks much nicer, coming up later tonight at 6 o'clock and 10 o'clock on WTVY. Also, with meteorologist Thomas Skiboy on WRGX, first news at 4 and news at 5:30. We'll see you back here on Wednesday.